Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a modernized ice cream design. So this is very simple, but a fantastic design. I think that was to time. This is the popular ice cream creating design. The number attack I start. Let's begin today. So what I need to do, I just select all the things and a little bit smaller here and keep to the corner side. And I'm keeping here to the corner side so that I may learn this exactly like that. So what we need to do, I go to the first of all, I need to go to the dashboard and I see so many tools, but I need to go to the over here. Thus I need rectangle tool. So I click over here and I just like that. Little bit. I think that's fine. So fantastic. So what I need to do, I just copy my older pressing copy like that. Older pressing is exactly older by shift key like that. So first of all, I need it's by control Y. Just let me see. It's level like that. Yeah, I think that's that. You do. So when it to do, I just select this one, all the things, and copy all the things by pressing Alt key like that. Uh, sorry, yes, I need it now. It will be good. I think it's good. And just by control, press the control and P. It will be good. So this is fantastic and magic. Super Runner today, I just select all the things and go to the where I needed to like that angle. So I go over here. There's so many, but I needed to this one and it just do a little bit like that at two sides. It's small, a little bit small, and I think it's a little bit better. It's okay. And yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay. So it's fine. I think it's okay. So we're running today. I just go to the overheat line segment 2 because I need to get it straight by pressing shift key. There. So what we're going to do, I just go again over here, select this one, and go to the where just curvature tools like that. Okay. So I did this down a key. Yes. Okay. So we're running to the I go again like that. I select all the things and go to the ability tool there, and by pressing all the key and delete all the things, you see how is easy. How is magic? Surely this is the magic by cutting there all the things that thing. It's no too much done. So you see how it's happening. So right here I needed to change the color. So go to the red color, and this one yellow color, and third one which color? I think one. Yes, I think okay, and one no, I just go to the over here and the last one. No happening. Okay, so last one. Whatever. Last one. I think it's last one. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. They're all. So we're gonna to the. I go to the over here and I need it just right now like that ice cream shape. What is that doing? Just go over here and just ellipse tool and shift and alt key just like that, a little bigger. Yeah, I think okay. So I need to put it over here, just that like that. Okay, and now I need color. I need a color. So copy. I need a copy. I press the key and select that a little bit. Okay. So again, I need to copy that a little bit. Okay, it's okay. So here I need to just copy and need to copy again over here. There. Okay, that's fine. So we're going to do, I need to select all the things by pressing T. There. Select things. I go over here to the bot finder. Go to the right. See exactly it's done like that. So we're running to the. I go to the again there and a little bit by press it a little bit like that. I think it's okay. And go to the over here. Yes, there. And I need to select all things and just build it thing, not things there. Yeah, see how design this digital plastic design. See, very delicious like that. Is very nice design. I think it's okay. No difference between that one and this one. So I need delete one and I need to select to be that. Okay, so it's what I wanted there. Okay, so it was a fantastic and very beautiful design. So thanks for watching.